students, welcome to Aryabhatta Maths World Hubba. This is Basavaraj. In this video, you have to learn about 10th standard lesson surface areas and volumes.
Hi students, today we are going to learn about 10th standard lesson surface areas and volumes, all the formulas. There are the 6 contents in this: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, frustum. Let us learn one by one. These are the shapes of all the figures. Cylinder figure is there, cone, frustum of cone, sphere, cube, cuboid, hemisphere figure is there. Let us learn one by one. 3-dimensional geometry means it has a face, edge and vertex. The pink color is called as face and this line is called as edge, the point is called as vertex. So, it has a 3-dimensional figure. So, cube is also 3D figure whose length and breadth are equal. It is in the shape of square, therefore, length and breadth are equal. The total surface area of cube is 6a square, 6 into length side square, that is 6a square. Volume of cube is side a cube, that is a cube, side cube, that is L cube or a cube. So, next we go to the cuboid. Cuboid has a length, breadth and height. So, there are 8 vertices, 12 edges are there. In this cuboid, it is also 3-dimensional figure which have 6 rectangular faces. It has 3 formulas, that is lateral surface area LSA, that is 2h bracket L plus B, that is h is height, L is length, B is breadth. Total surface area is 2L into B plus 2B into H plus 2L into H. L is length, B is breadth, H is height. This is length, breadth, height. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H, LBH. So, cuboid has 3 formulas. Let us learn cylinder. So, right circular cylinder. So, cylinder has a radius, from this point to this is radius, whatever this is base, this is height. Here also 3 formulas are there. Lateral surface area is 2 pi r h, r is radius is given, h is height given, pi value 22 by 7. So, total surface area is 2 pi r, r plus h, r is radius, h is height. Here 2 radius is there. Volume is pi r square h, pi r square is radius, h is height. Pi value is, all of you know that, 22 by 7. This is the 3 formulas for the right circular cylinder. Let us learn right circular cone. This is the figure of cone. It has a slant height L, r is radius, h is the middle portion is called as, this is h, this is slant height L. Here also there are 3 formulas. Curved surface area is pi r L, L is slant height radius. Total surface area is pi r, r plus L. Volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h is, all of you know that, that is the volume of cylinder, that 1/3 of volume of cylinder is equal to the 1/3 of volume of cone. These are the 3 formulas for the right circular cone. Next go to sphere. Sphere is a mathematical word from the ball. It is a set of all the fixed point. So, here the volume of sphere is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here it is radius. Pi value, all of you know that, 22 by 7 or 3.142. The surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. R is given there, R is radius, pi is 22 by 7. So, the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next we go to the hemisphere. Hemisphere means sphere half. Sphere half is called as hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is, CS of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and the volume of hemisphere is pi r cube. So, r is radius. So, all of you know that the CSA is 2 pi r square. So, total hemisphere is 3 pi r square, volume is pi r cube. Next we go to the one more thing, that is frustum of cone. Frustum of cone means half of the cone, that is only this portion. whatever the blue portion is called as frustum of cone. So, this portion is already cut, it is that white portion is, that is frustum of cone. Slant height of frustum of cone is L, we have to find L, square root of S square plus R 1 square minus R 2 square. The small portion is R 1, this one is R 2. Lateral surface area is pi R 1 bracket R 1 plus R 2 bracket complete L. Total surface area of frustum of cone is pi bracket R 1 plus R 2 bracket complete L plus R 1 square plus R 2 square. Volume of frustum of cone is pi by 3 R 1 cube plus R 1 R 2 plus R 2 square bracket complete H. Height of the cone, which is H 1, H R 1 divided by R 1 plus R 2. These are the 5 formulas for the frustum of cone. Okay, next we go to the combination of solid. A cylinder surmounted by a cone. Here cylinder is there, a cone is surmounted. So, surface area of model is CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of cone already we have learned in previous formulas pi RL, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So, in this radius is common, therefore, pi r you have to remember L plus 2H. This is the cylinder surmounted by a cone. In combination of solid, we have to know one more thing, a sphere attached to a cone. Here sphere is there, which is attached to a cone. So, surface area of this model is CSA of hemisphere we have to plus CSA of cone. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, already you know that CSA of cone is pi r L, here pi r is common, therefore, here 2 r plus L. This is the sphere attached to a cone, means CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. A round bottom flask. A round bottom flask connected with a sphere and a cylinder. Surface area of this model is CSA of cylinder plus surface area of the sphere minus area of the base. Area of the base means here 2 base will come, sphere and cylinder. So, you have to remember. So, surface area of sphere is 2 pi r h plus surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square minus pi r square. 2 pi r h is surface area of cylinder, 4 pi r square is surface area of sphere, minus pi r square means area of the base we have to remember. So, whatever the common is removed, pi r is common, therefore, 2 h minus r plus pi 4 pi r square. This is the formula for the round bottom flask model. Next, we move to the a cylinder surmounted by another cylinder. 2 cylinders are there, one small cylinder, another one big cylinder. The surface area of this model is TSA of larger cylinder plus TSA of smaller cylinder minus area of the smaller cylinder base. We have to remove this base, because it is a common to the bigger cylinder also smaller cylinder. Therefore, bigger cylinder TSA is 2 pi r CS 2 pi r h plus smaller cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square means we have to remember smaller cylinder base. So, in this common is 2 pi r, big r means big radius, h plus r common, height plus r plus smaller cylinder is 2 pi r, small h plus small r. This is a smaller cylinder TSA, this is a bigger cylinder TSA, minus pi r square is remove the base of the cylinder, smaller cylinder. Next, we go to the cylinder with cone on its end. Here cylinder is there, which have 2 cones upper and down. Surface area of this model is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of the both the cones. So, CSA of cylinder is, all of you know that 2 pi r h plus CSA of the both cones is 2 pi r l. So, we have to remove 2 pi r common, here what left, h plus l. This is the model of the cylinder with the cones on it both end, 2 pi r bracket complete h plus l. Next, we go to the cylinder with hemispherical cavities. This is a cylinder which have 2 hemispherical attached at both the ends. So, what is the surface area of this model? CSA of cylinder, cylinder CSA we know that, plus CSA of 2 hemisphere. So, this is the height, this is the radius. All of you know that 2 pi r h is CSA of cylinder plus 2 into, why we have to 2 here, 2 hemisphere is there, 2 into 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h, 2 into 2, 4 pi r square. Here common is 2 pi r, therefore h plus 2 r is a cylinder with hemispherical cavities. 2 cubes of similar dimension. Here 2 cubes are there which have same dimensions. So this model is L into B into H. So the model of surface area is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. If you take all the same is there, it is in the shape of square cubes, a 2 into a plus a square plus a into a plus, that is 2 into 2a square, a square, 2 into 5 square, that is 10 a square, or we have to apply 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 cubes attached to the dimension figure. Next we go to the capsule. So this is the capsule. So what is the surface area of capsule? This is a capsule, we have to make it as a 2 hemisphere attached to the both end. So the surface area of the model is CSA of cylinder, this portion is cylinder, then CSA of 2 hemispherical same dimension, here one hemispherical is there, here another hemispherical is there, you have to apply, that is CSA of cylinder is what, 2 pi r h plus one hemisphere CSA is 2 pi r square, another hemisphere is 2 pi r square, therefore 2 pi r h, 4 pi r square, common is 2 pi r, remove it, here what left, h plus 2 r square. This is the formula for the capsule, 2 pi r bracket complete, h plus 2 r bracket complete. Next we go to the cuboid surmounted by a hemisphere. Here cuboid is there, it is surmounted by a hemisphere. The surface area of this model is TSA of cuboid we have to add it plus CSA of hemisphere added, and also we have to remove CSA of top of the hemisphere, means base is common to the cuboid and hemisphere. Therefore 2 bracket LB plus HL plus HB, this is the TSA of cuboid, plus 2 pi r square is CSA of hemisphere, minus pi r square means why we have to remove minus pi r square, means both is base is common for the hemisphere also and cuboid also, therefore we have to remove base, therefore 2 LB plus HL plus HB plus pi r square, in 2 pi r square 1 pi r square is removed, we have to get, that is cuboid surmounted by hemisphere. A hollow cylinder surmounted by hemisphere, this is a hollow cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere, this is a cylinder, this is a hemisphere. CSA of this model is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So equal to CSA of this model is, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So here 2 pi r is common, what left, bracket h plus r. The hollow cylinder surmounted formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. This is a one combination of solid. All of you learned it. Okay, thank you.